Here at Lloyd Select Kelso, we are pleased to present this Toyota CHR 1.8 litre hybrid design, finished in Decuma Grey metallic paint with 19-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding door mirrors, keyless entry, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. Entering now beneath the tailgate, we can see the load space with the 60/40 rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the black fabric seats with Isofix child seat mounts, and entering into the front of the cabin now, we have the heated front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control, the digital gauge cluster display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have the satellite navigation, the rear camera display, and on the centre console we can see the climate controls with the heated seat buttons, the wireless device charger, and the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.